Determine if the following conditional is true. If today is Sunday, then tomorrow is Monday. So when you're talking about conditionals, if they're true or false, well, in this case we have to determine if it's true, but if you're trying to determine if it's a true or false conditional, a truth table can help you with that. So if you don't already have one copied or in your notes, make sure you have that in your notes. But there's four scenarios, so I could have it such that I have a truth value for true for the hypothesis. We can have a conclusion of true. I can have true and false, false and true, and false with false. So these are my hypothesis. This is my conclusion. And if I were to evaluate this type of a conditional where I have true implies true, true implies false, false implies true, and false implies false. Well, the truth values will be true for this case, it'll be false in this case, true in this case, and true in this case. So, if I wanted to determine if the following conditional is true, I just look at the truth value, or determine if the hypothesis is true and the conclusion is false. So if today is Sunday, so if I evaluate it when that is true, right? So I'm looking at when it is Sunday. So if it is true that it's Sunday, will it be true that tomorrow is Monday? Well, yes, that is actually true. So since I have a conditional where my hypothesis is true and my conclusion is true, then I know that the truth value is true for this conditional. So this is in the case if I were to think of, or if it was correct that today is Sunday. Alright, so it would have a truth value of true. Now, let's assume that it is not Sunday. So if today is Sunday, so I'm going to put down that it's not Sunday. So I'll say it's false. Right? Today is actually Monday. So it's false that it's Sunday. Well, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow is not Monday. Tomorrow is actually going to be Tuesday for me. So that's also false. And I have a conditional where false implies false, and I know that that would have a true value of true. So remember, this is not a false conditional because even though it's not Sunday today, the fact that tomorrow is not Monday, it still doesn't affect either case. Alright, so this has a truth value of true no matter, if the hypothesis is true or false, you'll see that no matter what, it'll still be true in either case.